auscultation, you must remember 4 points. Again, I think that it comes from your practice. So we have 4 valves. We have mitral valve region, precardium area. We have aortic valve region, pulmonary valve region, and we have in this position tricuspid valve region.
So some people do one more, sir, below the tricuspid.
Yeah, some people do one more. It's the 5th point, like the same point of Walking error. Yeah, in this point, but we don't have a point here. Yeah, it's true. It's true. So maneuvers. You always begin from mitral valve, then you jump to aortic, then you jump to pulmonary, then to tricuspid. So scenarios is the same. Hello, I'm your doctor, and blah blah blah. I will auscultate your heart. Okay, and I will begin. So I don't know where is this mitral point valve. I think that it's not here. But actually, I will put stethoscope. It's no matter. I will put stethoscope in this position, below the mammary gland, in 5th intercostal space, in this position. Okay, and I will stay here for 3-4 heart cycles. Again, 3-4 seconds. Okay. After this, I will go to aortic valve. Okay. It's enough. After this, I will go to pulmonary valve. It must be here, actually, in this position. Symmetrical position must be. So it seems I must put it here. Aortic, pulmonary. This is sternal position, and right sternal H, left sternal H. And second intercostal space. This is the first one, clavicular, and this is the second for mitral valve, for pulmonary valve. Okay, and after this I will go to tricuspid valve, to the 4th intercostal space, center of the clavicular. Okay, and that's all. I will not do I will not do auscultation from the back. I will not do auscultation from lateral. So only for
Teacher, can you do once again?
Once again. So I will exclude this basic conversation. So we begin from mitral valve point. Then we do aortic. Then we do pulmonary. And then we go for tricuspid valve. Now you can even hear. See. This is a tricuspid valve. Together with breathing sounds. So sometimes you will ask, can you stop breathing for a while? I want to hear your heart sound. I can't stop it here, but you can ask the patient. You see? Breathing and beating all together. And that's all. Sometimes, as you saw in the previous movie, you can check patient's neck. I mean, auscultation of I think it will be no sounds here. So carotid pulse from left carotid artery and
Right carotid artery.
That's all.